In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear Facebook cache on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings app and then scroll down and get into General. Next, tap at iPhone Storage, then wait for a couple of seconds, and now you can scroll down and in that list you have to find Facebook. Now there, in order to clear a Facebook cache, all you have to do is just reinstall that app. That's the only way how you can clear Facebook cache. So you can tap right here at Offload app, then confirm it. Don't be afraid of doing it. It removes just cache and some core data of Facebook app. Now you can hit at reinstall app, and after this process is complete you wouldn't be able to even enter your login data because all documents and all data was saved on your device. So just wait for reinstalling process to complete and then continue using Facebook app as before. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.